Hi and welcome to a new video in my Friday series. Today I'm doing the third page in the mini envelope art journal, and I start by applying gesso to my pages. I am using fluorescent acrylic paints to create the background, and this time I use a baby wipe and wipe away some of the color. This creates some interesting color shades. I am using some jelly printed deli paper, and I cut out some shapes and adhere them to my page with a jumbo glue stick. One of my favorite ways to make some marks on the pages is to pick a pastel pencil and draw into the wet paint. I took out my homemade jelly printed label stickers. I made them with flower stamps from Rubber Dance. And I have a video linked up in the info box where you can see how I made these stickers. And they are really fun to use. You have always something nice on hand. I use some white watercolor paint. This is normally a liquid watercolor, but it already dried out in my palette. And I dilute it with water and add some white splatters. Finally, I use my metallic acrylic ink and add some marks to the page. Thank you so much for watching today. Please give me a thumb up if you like the video. Bye!